ba? It's walking time na naman with the two pasaway. Exercise tayo kasi parang tumataba na. Tumataba na daw siya. Gusto niya magpa-sexy.
Wow, love you na ako ba?
Ay, init sobra. Aratilis raya. Init na araw. Eh, what's you eating? Richmond. Warang-warang. How are you, my love? Are you okay?
I'm enjoying my walk. It's a nice walk.
It's 8,000 steps.
I think we're at 9,000 now.
Bubog to Lawood naman siya. Baho at baboy. Oh, kadiri. Ay, masuka. I want to vomit, Daddy.
I know, same. That's why I hold my breath.
I want to vomit with the pork. Fucking hilarious. What? Humot alin?
Baboy.
Ew. Diri. I can imagine the skin of the pork. I want to get ready. Daddy,
Careful.
Divine said is nice the smell of the pork.
Oh, it's disgusting. I can't even.
Divine, who's that? Huh? Ah.
Ito ba yan? Ito ito?
What?
Motor. Ito. Ay,
Taga-siin.
puti.
Visit, ano, bro, abang gauli, makarang ganitong oras, pauwi na sila, galing trabaho. Mahina ang biyahe ngayon kasi mga walang pasokan na. Rest then. Pag walang pasok, wala ding maraming, pasahero. Mahina ang, biyahe.
Subulwag ko.
Nabi, karagawas ba yung so skinny?
Yan eh. Nabi ka nagawas kayo. Nagpunto ka lang.
I hope like that my body's too.
Iniwan ka lang? Baka na magsikaw, no? Baka na. Nagbuli yan eh.
Ay, sexy nga nito.
Luwa ka. Naibat na ka rin ako. Ito kayo ka pangyayon.
He wants to get fit and sexy and looks macho. you wanna look macho and skinny
No macho, but
and
skinny.
healthy.
Yes. Skinny and healthy.
Yeah. He wants to maintain to be healthy. More walking is more increasing your life.
Beautiful heat. Nice humidity. It's not crazy humidity.
Oh, so pretty the mga garden.
Gorgeous.
It's for sale, you know.
Oh.
I think that before when I was sick.
I'm just thankful I can get my exercise in nature. I can't imagine getting it indoors all day long. It's perfect.
Pang beach na.
I know.
This one is for the... Ay nga, tawag ka rin ako.
Oh,
I forgot already, never mind.
I love you, woman.
Oh, look at the sunrise.
Sunset.
That's it.
Beautiful sunset right above the castle. Look at there's the castle.
Beauty sunset. Wow. Ay, my birthday lang mapuntahan siguro. Na balon. Pink with orange, yellow. Ay, my love, don't look. Yeah. Ano ba, river?
Go for my bride.
You go first. Ay, oh, ang ganda ng mga flowers. Plants for sale. Plants for sale. Naman siya here at Lumasya. Aman?
Funny.
Next time, if I cannot walk, you and Divine can go walk.
Yeah, when you're bushes, yes.
Yeah, because if I want to get pregnant, I cannot walk every day like this.
Look at the castle.
I cannot get pregnant like this every day walking and doing exercise. I'm turning 37 years old, you know.
Let me take a picture of this for that guy who messaged me on Facebook.
Yeah, take the pictures. Naman pwede matanbain. Tito mo, magtikang ka mo. Para mag-ibahan ni Mau. Daddy! Scary.
Right.
They will attack you.
Oh, I love you, woman.
This one, it's not.
Ano ka? Hindi ba kayo? TikTok ka to, ma?
What?
Ipang pregnant na to? Hindi pa nag-abot na na makarman. Ah.
Oh, I feel good.
Wow. So fast, right?
I feel good.
You came back so fast. Look at this. This house and lot is for sale. This house and lot is for sale. Title property area 6,700 square meter, front 46 meters. Oh, that one is for sale. With the house together. It's a big compound. Very big. And the behind. Stare at you.
Huh?
He's staring at you.
I know.
Numancia already. Almost Numancia Market. Sorry, hindi kami sasakay kasi exercise. This is lap. No. Kasi Boracay. 100 square meter. Here guys, ano mo? Ganyan. Kasi matros, bukuan ka lang. Busy, my love. Busy, busy, busy. Busy. Hi, we almost reached home.
Nice walk.
My goodness. Meow. Hindi nga na ako mag-jogging tayo. Tara.
Ito pa mo na. Tuloy na siguro. Kinakasira. Nakabunti.
After my period, I don't walk. I don't wanna go walk. Tara.
Ay, mag-aage.
Also in the middle of the road.
She's the owner of the
He's the owner of the road. He's like, get off my road, homie.
Okay, let me. Si Greg Salido. Pimpo. Hi guys, good afternoon. So,
tayo not mag-exercise.
tuwing umaga.
Exercise.
Tuwing hapon, gila.
Exercise na tayo.
May maskara rin, ayaw mo ah. Maskara mo ah.
Holy shit.
In a popsicle jar.
Cute ah.
I guess they're all buckless here.
Tayo'y na mag-otsa-otsa.
Even the dogs are buckla.
Bakla, pag kinakumod ayaw.
Oh my god. Dragon Danwa. Oh.
Wow. Origin.